It's one of the greatest mysteries of ancient engineering. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned so perfectly with true north that modern architects would struggle to match its precision today, even with GPS. But here's the kicker. This was done over 4,500 years ago, long before compasses, satellites, or any of the tech we rely on now. How did the ancient Egyptians pull this off? Did they have secret tools we don't know about? Or was it something even more extraordinary? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover how the pyramid's alignment isn't just an engineering marvel. It might change the way we think about ancient civilizations altogether. The Great Pyramid of Giza is more than just an ancient tomb. It's a testament to human ingenuity. Built for Pharaoh Khufu, this massive structure held the record as the tallest man-made building in the world for over 3,800 years. But beyond its sheer size and architectural brilliance, there's a detail that continues to baffle scientists, historians, and engineers alike. Its alignment. Imagine this. The pyramid's sides are almost perfectly aligned with the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, off by just a fraction of a degree. To put that into perspective, it's more precise than some modern buildings, even those constructed with laser-guided tools. What's even more mind-boggling is that this wasn't a happy accident. The alignment was intentional, but why did they care so much about such precision, and how did they achieve it? Let's dive deeper into this incredible mystery. Here's the challenge. Aligning a structure as massive as the Great Pyramid with such accuracy would require a deep understanding of astronomy and geometry. It's not as simple as eyeballing it or pointing in the general direction of the North Star. The tools and methods available at the time, if we go by conventional knowledge, seem woefully inadequate for this task. And here's where the mystery deepens. The North Star wasn't even in the same position back then because of axial precession, a slow wobble in Earth's rotation. So if they didn't have compasses or GPS, and they couldn't rely on the North Star as we know it today, what were they using? Some theories suggest they used basic tools like plumb lines and sighting rods, but skeptics argue that these alone wouldn't achieve such precision. Others propose that they relied on a detailed understanding of celestial movements, far beyond what we've given them credit for. One of the most popular theories is that the ancient Egyptians used the stars to align the pyramid. Specifically, some researchers believe they relied on two stars, Kochab in the constellation Ursa Minor and Mizar in Ursa Major, which were in alignment around 2500 BCE. By tracking these stars as they appeared to rotate around the north celestial pole, the Egyptians could have determined true north. But here's the catch. This would require precise observation and record-keeping over a long period. It's possible they built sighting tools, like a mershe, essentially a simple wooden frame used to track stars across the sky. This aligns with ancient Egyptian texts that hint at their deep interest in astronomy. Another fascinating idea involves the sun. By tracking the shadow of a vertical pole, called a gnomon, the Egyptians could identify the east-west axis. Once they had that, they could use geometry to pinpoint true north. But achieving this on the scale of the Great Pyramid, over 13 acres at its base, would have required incredible discipline and accuracy. This is where things get speculative but intriguing. Some theorists suggest the Egyptians might have had access to advanced tools or techniques that were lost to history. Could they have used reflective water pools, complex surveying equipment, or even something more exotic? While there's no concrete evidence of such technology, it's worth considering that much of what we know about ancient engineering is based on assumptions. After all, many historical breakthroughs, from Roman concrete to Damascus steel, were lost and rediscovered centuries later. Why go to such lengths to achieve this precision? For the ancient Egyptians, alignment wasn't just practical, it was spiritual. They believed in Ma'at, a concept representing cosmic order and harmony. Aligning the pyramid with the cardinal points might have symbolized their connection to the heavens and the divine. The most plausible explanation? A combination of meticulous observation and brilliant engineering. Researchers have replicated the alignment using basic tools like plumb lines, gnomons, and star charts, proving it's possible. However, the degree of skill and effort required is staggering. What's truly remarkable is what this tells us about the ancient Egyptians. They weren't just builders, they were scientists, astronomers, and innovators. Their alignment of the Great Pyramid isn't just a feat of engineering, it's a statement of their understanding of the universe. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a monument to human curiosity, creativity, and determination. Its precise alignment with true north isn't just a historical footnote. It's a reminder of how much our ancestors were capable of, even without modern technology. What's even more inspiring is that we're still learning from them. Every new discovery about the pyramid isn't just a glimpse into the past. It's a challenge for us to think bigger, dream bolder, and strive for greatness.